Hello everyone, Jay Swaminarayan, Contributor Personal Development Program. The subject code is 316002 in 6th SEM. So, CPDP. Contributor Personal Development Program, CPDP. Unit number 5, Human Centered Thinking and Empathy. So, let's go ahead. ह्यूमन सेंटर थिंकिंग में हमें यहाँ पर रिटेंशन एंड करियर डेवलपमेंट देखना है. करियर डेवलपमेंट इट मैनेजेस हाउ अ पर्सन ग्रोज एंड प्रोग्रेसेस इन देयर करियर. एंड करियर प्लानिंग द प्रोसेस ऑफ मैनेजिंग करियर गोल्स एंड इंडिविजुअल कैपेबिलिटीज विद अपॉर्चुनिटीज फॉर देयर फुलफिलमेंट. The basics of career development. Career, it means the occupational positions a person has had over many years. Career management, the process for enabling employees to better understand and develop their career skills and interests, and to use these skills and interests more effectively. Career development, the lifelong series of activities that contribute to a person's career एक्सप्लोरेशन, एस्टेब्लिशमेंट, सक्सेस एंड फुलफिलमेंट. ये है बेसिक्स ऑफ करियर डेवलपमेंट. द बेसिक्स ऑफ करियर डेवलपमेंट. करियर प्लानिंग, द डिलिवरेट प्रोसेस थ्रू विच समवन बिकम्स अवेयर ऑफ पर्सनल स्किल्स, interests, knowledge, motivations, and other characteristics, and establishes action plans to attain specific goals. Look at here: career, education, vision, skills, interests, values, and goals. Careers today. Careers are no simple progressions of employment in one or two firms with a single profession. Employees now want to exchange performance for training, learning, and development that keep them marketable. The characteristics of career development. It is an ongoing process. Career development is an ongoing process. It develops and shares transferability of skills and competencies. It aligns individual goals with organizational goals for increased satisfaction of employees. It helps individuals to develop skills and competencies required to fulfill present and future leadership roles within an organization. It strengthens professional work culture in the organization also. Questions. Look at here. Question number 1. I will motivate others to participate in the cleanliness drive. Here you can see 1 and A or B. क्या है आपकी सोच? I will need people who are motivated to keep me interested in participating in cleanliness drives. Question number 2. Taking part in a singing competition on TV was a great experience because I am now recognized as a good singer. I improved my singing in the process. Question number 3. Sales of a company increases when they offer good discounts to customers. Customers feel that they are getting good value for money spent. So you have to select from A or B. Read the questions 2 times. Question number 4. The employees of a telecom company managed to handle a huge increase in mobile calls on that festival day. The manager praises them for their brilliant planning for execution. Which of the statements below is closest to the thinking of a contributor employee? So this is the option A, B and C. So you have to go through it and read it. a national board of education announced that all the books of its curriculum would be freely available online. How do you view this? So यहाँ पर भी आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर A, B and C. So you have to go on through this. Question number 6. As a motorcyclist, why is it important that you follow traffic rules and regulations? So the traffic will be smooth if others also follow the rules like me. I can stay out of trouble with traffic policemen by following traffic rules. I can be a good citizen by following traffic rules also. ये है आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 और यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट फ्रॉम A, B and C. Question number 7. Two films are releasing their movies on the same festival day. The filmmakers of both movies tries to pressurize the theaters to give their movie priority. How do you view this? So यहाँ पर भी आपको जाना है A, B and C में. Shivam has become the new chairman of a building association. How should he view himself? So I will not allow any resident to break the rules set by managing committee. I will make sure that residents and management committee solve all issues peacefully. Let me find out what initiatives can be taken so that residents can live more comfortably. Question number 9. Fardeen has just finished his graduation and is looking for a job. What would he be thinking as a contributor? So you have to select from A, B and C. I have to keep applying for jobs and wait till get one. So you have to read the questions 2 or 3 times, then after you have to select it. Question number 10. Smitha, a government employee, has to go door to door to collect information on how many children under the age of 5 have been vaccinated. What thought will keep her motivated? So यहाँ पर भी क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, 2, 3, 4, बट यहाँ पर आपकी सीरीज होगी 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 3, 2, 1, 4. Question number 11. Why is it necessary to find ways to reduce pollution in cities? Question number A and B. You have to go through it. Question number 12. Why would you learn to make eco-friendly bags with newspaper by watching YouTube tutorial videos? यहाँ पर आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर A है. This is an interesting way to keep myself occupied in my free time. Question number B. This is an opportunity to reduce my consumption of plastics. So you have to go through it. The meaning of human-centered design is about cultivating deep empathy with the people you are designing for. Generating ideas, building a bunch of prototypes, sharing what you have made with the people you are designing for. Human-centered design is about cultivating deep empathy with the people you are designing for. Generating ideas, building a bunch of prototypes, like that. Fostering better communication in organization. The main objective of designing a career development system is to foster better communication within the as a whole. So it promotes communication at all levels of organizations. For example, manager and employee and managers and top management. Proper communication is the lifeblood of any organization and helps in solving several big issues also. So it is a fostering better communication in organization. You have to go through it. If you don't understand, tell me. Assisting with career decisions. A career development system provides employees as well as managers with helpful assistance with career decisions. They get an opportunity to assess their skills and competencies and know their goals and future aspirations. It helps them give a direction so that they can focus on achieving their long-term career goals. This is the assisting with career decisions. Better use of employee skills. A career development system helps organization in making better use of employee skills. Since managers know their skills and competencies, they are put them at a job where they will be able to produce maximum output. So it is a better use of employee skills. Setting realistic goals. Setting realistic goals and expectation is another main objective of a career development system. It helps both employees and organization to understand what is feasible for them and how they can achieve their goals. This is setting realistic goals. Creating a pool of centered employees. Creating a pool of talented employees is the main objective of organizations. After all, they need to meet their staffing needs in present and future. The career development system helps them fulfill their requirements also. So it is a creating a pool of talented employees. Enhancing the career satisfaction. Organizations especially design career development systems for enhancing the career satisfaction of their employees. Since they have to retain their valuable assets and prepare them for top-notch position in future, they need to understand their career requirements and expectations from their organizations also. So it is enhancing the career satisfactions. Feedback. Giving feedback on every step is also called within an organization to measure the success rate of a specific policy implemented and initiatives taken by the organization. In addition to this, it also helps managers to give feedback for employees' performance so that they can understand what is expected of them. Objectives of career development. To understand career development from a developmental and multicultural perspective, to devise intervention strategies for developing, engaging, rewarding, retaining talented personnel, to be able to discuss and apply models of career counseling that is appropriate for use in an organization. So it is these are the objectives of career development. Objectives of career development. To understand the use of assessment producers in career development intervention. To understand how to use technology in career development intervention. To facilitate understanding of personal, social, economic and other factors related to the world of work for employees throughout their organizational lifespan. These are the questions. Vasu's NGO used to train women in tailoring. Now they have also started connecting them with companies which gives them tailoring work on a regular basis. What can Vasu's reason be for doing this? So you have to select from A or B and you have to read it. The railways want to make sure trains travel on time. How will it be benefit the railways according to you? You have to go through A, B, C. A team is about to complete designing an advertisement campaign for its client. Suddenly, a team member comes up with a new idea which would need them to rework on campaign. How should one look at the new idea or suggestions? This is an order 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3 like that. Mr. Hemasundar is a startup providing healthy, low calorie meals. How should he approach his work? So this is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, 4, 1, 3, 4, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2. You have to go through this. Sulekha is keen to keep up the wildlife photography as a hobby. How can she start to engage with her hobby? A, B, C. Here these are options. Suresh works in the accounts department. He is asked by his boss to stay back during the night as they have to close financial books for the year end. So Suresh cannot stay back. What opportunity is he likely to miss? You have to select from the option A, B and C. Question number 7. A company, as part of the Swachh Bharat initiative, has organized a cleanliness drive in nearby localities. Why would a company do that? So, number A, B, and C. You have to reread the question answers and select it. How can Rahul, a teenager, help his family members? A, B, and C. You have been recently selected in the A college football team. Why would you take the feedback of your coach seriously while practicing? You have to select from A, B, and C. Bhavani is starting her own dance classes for children. To plan her classes, who are the best people to discuss with? You have to select from A, B, and C. Thank you very much, dear all.